Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this afternoon Mass as we celebrate the Transfiguration of the Lord. By reflecting on our readings, particularly this celebration, I think it's good to be reminded that good memories keep us going. They bring back the smile on our face, even those experiences were long ago, and very few know about them. They sustain marriages on the rocks. They re-inspire tired, consecrated people. They are like well springs of cool water in the middle of the desert. Indeed, good memories keep us going. My dear brothers and sisters, this is very much like the time when Peter, James, and John finally experienced and understood Jesus' divinity and mission. And they went up to the mountain and experienced themselves not only with their two eyes, but their hearts and souls, the divinity of Jesus and His mission. Ito yung lagi nating naririnig, transfigured experiences or transfigured moments. We have a share of that. As I have said, kapag nakaka-bounce back yung mga mag-asawang may problema, that is transfigured moments. When we again get inspired of what we are doing in our mission, in our work, in our ministry, that is transfiguration moments in our life. And that is something that imprint not only in our minds, but in our hearts, in our memories. Kaya kapag down tayo, pag medyo low ang spirits natin, pag binalikan natin yung mga memories na yan, lalo na yung magaganda na niligtas at nilingap tayo ng Panginoon, we keep on going in our lives despite some sufferings, some difficulties. The Transfiguration experience sustained us, even the apostles, even after the Son of Man has been raised from the dead. So, my dear brothers and sisters, this feast, therefore, invites us to continue creating good memories in ourselves, among ourselves, and with God. They will go a long way, and yes, good memories keep us going.